John here, shoreline fishing, and I've got a crazy idea. I'm going to try fishing with a broken rod. Why not? I actually broke this rod putting it back into the car. Not 100% sure how. I put it in properly, but it snapped somehow. And I want to get one more fishing trip out of it, so I decided, why not? Let's give the fish a little bit of a chance. So let's see if it works. Let's fish. Hey, look at that. First fish with a broken rod. And it is a perch. Second fish on a broken rod. I just can't reel in good enough, so I'm going to take the tip off and see what happens. Let's get him back and I'll show you what I'm doing. As you can see, this is a mess. So I'm going to take this off and fish that being my leader, my leading of the line, and see what happens. So let's take this off. Can't do it one-handed though. Rock bass. This is actually an enjoyable little challenge. Nice little rocky. Bye-bye. I'm actually having no problem at all with the broken rod. But these little fish feel like 100 pounds. That's one thing for sure. Baby perch. Can't complain that much. Your old girl still has some life in her. Baby perch are just being crazy. All this with a broken rod proves you don't have to be rich to fish. Okay, so I'm doing okay with this depth. Let's go a little bit deeper and see if I keep up this good luck. A little bit bigger. So let's keep on fishing. This rod definitely still has life in her. Had a line tangle and still caught the fish. Considering I'm fishing with half a rod, can't complain. It's a strong rocky for my troubles. Goodbye. What I want to show you with this perch is, look how beautiful those bottom fins are. Beautiful, beautiful fish. I went deeper, even deeper, and now I think I've got it underneath the small fish. Let's see if this was just a fluke or if I did find a way to get underneath those small fish. So many of these perch, if I recorded them all, it'll be an hour show. So I'm back. Goodbye. I'm actually going to try to see how deep I can go. I'll catch some fish. This is a nice perch. So I'm back. And see if there's any jumbos out there. What I've been doing is I've been looking for riffles and casting for that. And so far it's been really, really working. There's a baby rocky. Bye-bye. Now, just to give you an idea of how much action I'm actually getting, I'm going to set a timer on for an hour. I'm going to take a picture of every fish I catch in an hour, just to give you guys an idea of what the action's like.